Meeple Buddy is an Alexa skill for tabletop game enthusiasts that addresses the ever-present challenge of determining which game to play. Rather than wasting time debating which game you and your friend should play, let Meeple Buddy make the decision so that you can get right into game night. When you first start using Meeple Buddy, you'll need to add some games that you own to your game collection. You can do this by saying, "Add a game to my collection." Alexa, open Meeple Buddy.
Hello and welcome to Meeple Buddy. I can pick a game for you to play or I can add a game to your collection. What do you want to do?
Add an easy game to my collection.
What is the title of the game?
Villainous.
What is the minimum and maximum number of players for Villainous?
It's difficult.
How many players can play Villainous?
2 to 6.
I'll add Villainous, a game for 2 to 6 with difficult complexity to your collection. Is that right?
Yes.
Villainous is a great addition to your game collection.
After several games have been added to your collection, you can ask Meeple Buddy to pick a game based on the number of players and the desired game complexity. Or you can say any complexity if you don't care how difficult the game should be. Alexa, ask Meeple Buddy to pick a game.
How many players do you have?
3.
Hey, I want to play.
Are you up for an easy, moderate, or complex game?
No, make it 4 players.
Are you up for an easy, moderate, or complex game?
Complex.
How about a game of runes and regulations?
Thanks, Meeple Buddy. Now the only question left is what kind of pizza to order.